China's military has released this video of a four-legged robot marching through a field with an automatic rifle mounted on its back.
For the first time in the history of aviation, this drone was flown by an AI agent.
War has always been about dominance, but in the 21st century, the rules are changing. Nations are racing to develop machines that think, adapt, and act faster than any human ever could. Today, artificial intelligence isn't just part of the future, it's shaping the battlefield right now. And in this video, we'll dive into how AI is changing the warfare, the ethical dilemmas it poses, and how these developments could redefine what it means to fight a war. To understand how AI fits into warfare, let's take a step back. The tools of war have always reflected the technology of their time. In World War II, radar technology gave nations an edge. By the 1990s, precision-guided missiles changed the game. Fast forward to today, drones dominate the skies. During the conflict between Azerbaijan and Armenia in 2020, AI-powered drones played a decisive role, identifying and eliminating targets without putting pilots in harm's way. Now, AI isn't just a future prospect, it's already here. And let's look at three areas where AI is actively being used today. Drones like the MQ-9 Reaper use AI for navigation and targeting. With AI, these systems can identify threats, navigate obstacles, and even decide the best time to strike. All faster than a human pilot ever could. AI isn't just about weapons though. It's also about intelligence. Advanced algorithms analyze satellite images, identifying enemy troop movements in real time. This was used during the Syrian civil war, where machine learning systems scanned vast terrains for hidden threats. AI systems can run millions of simulations to help commanders choose their best strategies. For example, DARPA has developed programs like Offset, which use AI to coordinate swarms of robots and drones for urban warfare. The most controversial development: fully autonomous weapons. Machines that can decide when to kill. These systems are already being tested by global superpowers, and China has showcased robotic tanks, while Russia is working on underwater drones capable of launching attacks independently. Proponents argue that these systems could reduce human casualties, but critics warn that they could make wars easier to start and harder to control. The debate isn't just about technology, it's also about ethics. Who is accountable when an autonomous weapon makes a mistake? Can AI understand the value of a human life? Well, in 2018, the UN debated a global ban on autonomous weapons, but no agreement was reached. And some nations see these machines as essential for national security. But others fear they could escalate conflicts in ways we cannot control. The battlefield isn't just physical anymore, it's digital. And AI is already a key player in cyber warfare, defending against attacks and launching them. In 2020, AI systems helped the US defend against cyber attacks targeting critical infrastructure. But the same AI capabilities can be weaponized to disrupt power grids, banking systems, or even military satellites. So what's next? Well, AI could create an entire army of autonomous machines, capable of waging wars humans only monitor. Imagine a battlefield where AI systems adapt on the fly, making real-time decisions faster than any human ever could. But here's the ultimate question. Will AI make wars safer for humanity, or will it push us closer to global destruction? The future of warfare is here, and it's powered by AI. But what do you think? Should AI play a role in military strategy? Or is this a step too far? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.